We're going to demonstrate how to use FrontPage as a prototyping tool to develop a website. And you can get the FrontPage software through the MSDN AA program. And we have already set up an eAcademy account for you where you can download the software. Once you install it in Windows system, you can choose that all program, and then it's listed under Microsoft Office, and you will find FrontPage. Click on FrontPage, and it will be opened up like this. The first thing you have to do is choose File and New, and you're going to see New Pages. You can create a new page or you can create a new website. And we're going to deal with a whole website, so we're going to choose the new website. We can choose from many website template. I'm going to click on this More Website Template. And for simplicity, I'm going to choose Personal Website. And you can choose where you want the website to be created on your hard drive. So I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to suggest that you create it under C drive, temp folder, and maybe I'm going to choose temp, maybe create something like FrontPage or the name of your website. So make sure you choose personal website as a template and choose a folder on your C drive, a brand new folder. So the new website has been created. There's some sample page. For instance, you can look at the index page, which is your home page. And to look at the whole website structure, you can click navigation here. And this is the navigation diagram for the whole website. And if you want to see a particular page and edit a particular page, you can click on it. And this is how you can edit the page. You can certainly change the content. Just say, welcome to Minder's website, etc. And if you have an image in your image subfolder under your website folder, you can just drag it and drop it to a particular place. Okay, and let me just drag another image here. So that's another image for cat. Okay, so if you can copy any image you want to use into this image folder, then you can easily add that image to an existing page. Okay, so if you want to save it, you can just say save. Okay. Let's use this About page as an example to look at its layout. On the top, it's the so-called page banner, and it's called About Me, which you can change. If you double click on it, you can make change of it. And on the left hand side, it's what we call navigation bar, that you can decide it how you want this navigation bar to be displayed. And you can say, I want to show the home link to the home page and all the page at the same level as the current page. This means the current page over here. Or you can choose actually all the child page under home, or the child page under home. That's actually a very common selection. And also potentially a link back to the parent page. This is how you can specify what kind of link that you should have on the link bar. And what is on the link bar will be determined by this navigation diagram here, the navigation diagram for the whole website. And we can save it. We can test the page by press F12 or choose a preview browser to do it. And this is how it would looks like. Let me refresh it. So we can go to the home page, we can look at this about me page, interest page, favorite page, etc. So this is the navigation bar as we call it. Let's look at how we can add a new page to the website. Let me move this a little bit. From the home page, when you highlight the home page, click right mouse button. You can choose say new page, and you will find out that a new page has been created. And for instance, if we want this page to be called a search page, product search page, it is created under home. If I double click, I'm going to say search page, make it as heading 1, and I'm going to add a form as a search box. So I say insert form, choose text box, leave some space here, move the cursor, maybe make it down here, highlight this, and just say search products. Okay. And for this submit button, I can just change it to just, instead of say submit, I'm going to just call it search. Reset is okay. So this is the form with a single text box. The user can enter some keyword for a product search. And this is the submit button, which we call it search now. Let me save this. Let me create another page here under the search page. Assume that I have a page. I want to create a page. Let me move it around a little bit. I want to create a page under the search page. I'm going to just call it search result. If I double click, now I can actually create the content for the search result page. I'll say here is a list of MIS textbooks. I'm going to just quickly say MIS introduction, and there's another. Let's do this. I'm going to modify this a little bit. Here's a list of textbooks and just normal. MIS introduction, introduction to MIS, computing 101. Let's assume there are like 3 textbooks listed here. So I'm going to save this. From the search page, if you click right mouse button while your cursor is inside this form, the form's boundary is indicated by the dotted line. So if you click right mouse button, go to form property, choose send to other, choose option. In this case, I'm going to just type search result.htm, which is the file name for the search result page listed here that we just created. So once again, you choose send to others and then choose option to enter the phone handling page called phone handler. Once that is done, we can save it. And let's do one more. Let's say this is MIS intro. I can make this a link, linking to a new page, which I'm going to just call it mis.htm page. And I'm going to go to the website and make this mis.html page under the search page and rename it. Just say MIS book. For that specific MIS book, just say, let's see, it is called MIS introduction. So this is introduction. So let's save it and also save this one. So now we can kind of test it. If we can bring back our browser, let's double check the phone action attribute setup again. Phone property, send to others, option, and this should be search results with an S to match with the file name here. So let's save it. Then if we hit F12, save our change. So let's look at, so the browser show up. Now if we carefully script our presentation here, assuming we enter the keyword called MIS and search, then the list of MIS book will show up. If I actually click the first link, then this detailed information about the MIS intro book that I have selected will be displayed. Okay, so that pretty much complete our discussion of how to create form, how to link a phone's submit button to another page, to demonstrate some dynamic aspect of a website. And certainly we're just linking the two together. The actual dynamic feature has to be done through some server-side programming. We're just using static HTML page to demonstrate the possibility. If we want the newly created pages like search page, search result page, or MIS page to have the same page banner and navigation bar, we have to do the following. First, go to Tool and under Page Option, choose Authoring and make sure you select Share Border. This is by default turned off. So once we have done that, we can come to the Format pull-down menu, choose Share Border. Let's just do Current Page, top left, include the navigation button, and we can make sure that navigation button has the home page and parent page and all the child page under home. Then we can do the same thing for the search result. Make sure you choose current page, and this is done correctly. Over here we can insert the page banner, text or picture. Let's make it as a picture. Search result. Do this. That's done. One last one. So we're going to just say insert, format, share border, current page, top left. Okay, let's save it. Now we can try to test it again. We can go back to the home page, go to the search page. We can search MIS and find out this MIS page, and go to the detail. We forgot to save this search result page. So now let's come back and do it again. Home page, search page, say MIS, search, find all the MIS textbook and see the detail one. So we can go up to the search page, go back to the home page. So this will complete our demonstration. Thank you.